Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding what you need to lift off the counters and why. Maximize vertical space now. Measure walls, cabinet undersides, and clearance so shelves and hooks fit. Once done, locate studs and choose proper anchors. Make sure to gather a drill, screws, level, and anchors. You'll save time by categorizing items into heavy, medium, and light so mounting choices match weight. Begin drilling only after confirming measurements and stud locations. You'll mount shelves and rails next. This is where function meets flow. Start with the heaviest items on the lowest shelf and stagger heights to prevent visual clutter. Use a level and tighten anchors. Magnetic strips go over the stove for knives, and rails with hooks keep utensils accessible. Inside cabinets, add vertical risers and slim pull-out baskets to exploit unused height. Once installed, reposition a few items to test reachability and balance the load. You finish by organizing and labeling so the system endures. Labels enforce habits and keep popular items within easy reach. Make sure to test load limits and watch for any sagging or noise. Redistribute heavy jars lower and lighter items higher. If something loosens or an anchor pulls out, stop using that mount and resecure into a stud or replace the anchor with a heavy-duty toggle. This prevents damage and keeps your vertical solution reliable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.